Time expressions in the future are used for actions or events that have not occurred yet but could happen later. These time expressions are words or phrases that give more information about the moment in the future when the actions may occur. Look at this sentence, I will pay you. This is a sentence in future tense, but there is little information. Maybe you want to know exactly when you will be paid. Time expressions may be included to give more specific information. I will pay you today. Let's talk about the word, tomorrow. Tomorrow means the day that is coming after this day, the present day. Tomorrow is the next day after today. Remember that to express future, you can use either will plus the verb, or verb to be plus going to plus the verb. Today is Monday. Tomorrow, it will be Tuesday. We are going to play basketball tomorrow. You can also use shall plus the verb. It is not very common, but it's used sometimes. All criminals shall be prosecuted by the law. Important, when you use time expressions in the future, your verbs must also be in future tense. Tomorrow, we vote for a new president. Tomorrow, we didn't vote for a new president. Tomorrow, we will vote for a new president. You can also use contractions, I'll, you'll, we'll, they'll, won't, etc. Tomorrow, we'll vote for a new president. Let's talk about the word, tonight. Tonight means the night of this day. You can only use tonight as a time expression in the future if it's before the night. For example, imagine the time right now is 1 p.m. We will go dancing tonight. 1 p.m. is in the afternoon, before the night. Imagine the time now is 11 p.m. We will go dancing tonight. 11 p.m. is already night, so that is not in the future. Now, let's talk about the word, today. Today means this day, or the current day. Today can be used for both present and future. Present, today is a great day. I'm doing a lot of work today. Future. I will play with my dogs today. She is going to perform in the theater today. Today can be used as a time expression in the future for activities that haven't happened yet and are planned for later in the same day. The day after tomorrow. The day after tomorrow means 2 days after today. She is going to arrive the day after tomorrow. The teacher expects us to finish our project the day after tomorrow. His vacation will start the day after tomorrow. This time expression is commonly found at the end of the sentence, not at the beginning. Let's talk about the word, next. In the form of time expression, next is always followed by a specific moment. Next indicates the moment after the current one, next week is the week after this one, next month is the month that follows this one, etc. Next week, there will be an exam. My favorite band is going to play here next month. Next semester, I will try to get better grades. We are going to graduate next year. Important, don't say next day. The correct time expression is tomorrow. I will see you next day. I will see you tomorrow. For shorter periods of time, the expression changes to in the next 20 minutes, the teacher is going to answer your questions. Another bus will come in the next hour. Now let's talk about the word, in. As a time expression, in is followed by an article, a, the, and a specific moment. Give information about when the action will happen. Specific moments. In a year, my friend from Argentina will visit me. I'm going to write my thesis in the following months. Non-specific moments. In the future, we are going to buy a house. I will finish reading this book in the near future. Now let's talk about the words at, on, in. At, on, and in are prepositions, but they can work as time expressions if we add a specific moment. Be careful, each one is used for different periods of time. At is used for hours. At 6:20 a.m., a taxi will take us to the airport. The department store will close at 9 p.m. On is used for days. On Saturday, the band is going to play at the arena. In is used for months and years. Our vacations will start in July. In 2050, transportation will be very different. Now let's talk about the word later. Later is a time expression you can use for non-specific moments in the future, when it is not known exactly when something will happen. Later can indicate near future or distant future. He is going to bring the books later. I don't know the exact time, but she will come here later. Later can be combined with other time expressions in the future. Later today, they are going to fumigate this area. The new superheroes movie will be in cinemas later this year. The next word is soon. Soon is another time expression for non-specific moments in the future. Soon indicates near future. It is not used for distant future, actions that will occur in many months or years. Near future. Get your jacket, we will leave soon. I will see you soon. The baby started to stand up. Soon, he is going to start walking. Distant future. Soon, the baby will study at the university. Now let's talk about the word when. When can also be used to express actions or situations in the future. When I grow older, I will travel all around Mexico. They are going to live in a cabin in the forest when they retire. I won't stop wearing my team's jersey when the Champions League ends. When spring begins, we will plant trees in our garden. Now, let's see how this time expressions can be used in an informal way. Sometimes, you may hear time expressions in the future without will, going to or shall. They can't go to the party, they are studying tonight. Tomorrow, I eat there. We climb that mountain next year. These sentences are not completely incorrect, but they are colloquial or informal English. They omit certain parts, but the future tense is implied. In formal English, the complete sentences would be: They can't go to the party, they are going to study tonight. Tomorrow, I will eat there. We shall climb that mountain next year. Important things to remember. Time expressions go at the beginning or at the end of the sentence. They don't go in the middle. We will get together next Friday at the library. We will get together at the library next Friday. She'll start soon a new business. Soon, she'll start a new business. When the time expression is at the beginning of the sentence, write a comma after the time expression. Tomorrow we'll make a TikTok video. Tomorrow, we'll make a TikTok video.